The Lexus Aura Prime 2057 begins with a vision that is both daring and serena. Luxury cruiser designed to glide silently across landscapes, powered by wind energy and advanced quantum propulsion. It is not merely a vehicle. It is a harmonious symphony of motion, technology, and environmental awareness. From the moment the Aura Prime appears on the horizon, its flowing curves and aerodynamic elegance announce a new era of mobility, one where the sound of the engine is replaced by the whisper of progress, and every journey becomes a meditative experience. This hyper-luxury vehicle is engineered to offer not only speed and performance but also emotional resonance, creating a profound connection between driver, passengers, and the surrounding environment. The Aura Prime represents the rebirth of grand touring, reimagined for a future where travel is as much about the journey as the destination. Lexus has envisioned a cruiser that combines seamless motion, intuitive control, and sustainable energy management to redefine what it means to drive in 2057. Unlike traditional grand tours, the Aura Prime integrates wind-driven energy, solar augmentation, quantum-powered systems to operate with near-zero emissions, and creating a vehicle that is environmentally responsible without compromising luxury or performance. It embodies the philosophy of immersive travel, where passengers feel fully present, connected, and comfortable. Whether traversing urban streets, winding country roads, or coastal highways, the design and aesthetic philosophy of the Aura Prime exemplify the balance of form and function. Its exterior is sculpted to capture and channel airflow, with adaptive surfaces that adjust in real time to optimize efficiency, reduce drag, and enhance stability. The flowing bodywork evokes natural forms, frimpling water, wind patterns, and organic contours, while integrated lighting provides subtle cues and ambient illumination, blending artistry with utility. The cabin continues this philosophy, enveloping occupants in a space of tactile luxury and technological sophistication. Materials are selected for both aesthetic beauty and adaptive responsiveness, with surfaces that shift texture and temperature according to touch and environmental conditions. Floating displays and gesture-controlled interfaces create an intuitive interaction between human and machine, ensuring that every control feels natural and effortless. Performance and motion experience in the Aura Prime are defined by its innovative wind-driven propulsion and advanced suspension technologies. Silent electric motors provide smooth, immediate acceleration, while magnetic levitation-inspired dampers and adaptive suspension create a sensation of effortless gliding. The vehicle's aerodynamic body works in tandem with wind-harvesting fins and quantum energy cells, converting ambient air movement into usable power, effectively turning motion into regenerative energy. Quantum sensors map the road ahead in real time, adjusting steering, suspension, and torque distribution to ensure optimal stability and responsiveness. The result is a driving experience that feels weightless, precise, and deeply connected to the environment, transforming every twist and turn into a fluid and elegant motion. The interior of the Aura Prime is a sanctuary of serenity and intelligence. Advanced AI, known as the Aura Neural Interface, monitors passenger biometrics, mood, preferences to adjust lighting, climate, seat ergonomics, and entertainment automatically. Circadian adaptive lighting, scent diffusion, crystal acoustic soundscapes create a multi-sensory environment that promotes relaxation, focus, or creative inspiration depending on the context. Augmented reality displays overlay navigation, scenic information, and contextual data without intruding on the passenger's experience, providing guidance and engagement while preserving the feeling of openness and calm. Seats and surfaces are kinetic and reactive, molding to individual anatomy while maintaining comfort during long journeys. Floor and panel lighting subtly interact with movement and touch, creating a dynamic yet soothing environment that feels alive, responsive, and immersive. Sensory AI intelligence is central to the Aura Prime experience. The Aura Neural Interface learns over time, adapting to driving patterns, passenger behavior, and environmental conditions. It anticipates needs, moderates speed or suspension for comfort, and ensures safety through predictive algorithms. The AI continuously analyzes air quality, structural stress, and system efficiency, providing both autonomous and assisted driving modes. Its emotional awareness allows it to create a personalized ambience adjusting cabin temperature, lighting hues, and audio intensity to suit mood and activity, effectively transforming the vehicle into an intelligent companion that enhances the journey rather than merely facilitating it. Sustainability and regenerative technology are integral to the Aura Prime's identity. The body is constructed from fully recyclable, self-healing composites that maintain structural integrity and adapt to minor abrasions or impacts. Wind harvesting surfaces, solar skins, and energy recycling mechanisms ensure that the vehicle operates with minimal environmental footprint. Climate control, water circulation, and interior systems are designed to recycle energy and resources efficiently, while the zero-emission propulsion system enables long-distance travel without reliance on fossil fuels. Even auxiliary systems are regenerative, maintaining themselves autonomously, which allows the vehicle to operate continuously with reduced human intervention, merging luxury with ecological responsibility. The overall experience and legacy of the Lexus Aura Prime 2057 extend far beyond its technical specifications. It transforms the act of driving into a contemplative, emotionally enriching journey, where passengers feel intimately connected to the environment, the vehicle, and each other. Its aerodynamic elegance, silent glide, and intelligent adaptability create a unique signature that is instantly recognizable, positioning the Aura Prime as a benchmark for future grand touring vehicles. Over time, the vehicle becomes a personal expression of lifestyle and values, reflecting not only advanced engineering and design, but also a commitment to sustainable, emotionally resonant mobility. The Lexus Aura Prime is more than a car. It is a statement of technological artistry, a guardian of the environment, and a timeless companion that redefines luxury travel in the mid-21st century. The Lexus Aura Prime 2057 embodies a vision of mobility that goes beyond transportation, redefining the very essence of what it means to travel. Every element of the vehicle is conceived as a living extension of the driver's intent and the surrounding environment. As the cruiser glides along a coastal highway at dawn, the low hum of the quantum-assisted wind turbines merges with the natural rhythm of the ocean breeze, creating an experience that is simultaneously exhilarating and calming. Its adaptive exterior panels, sculpted to optimize airflow, shimmer in response to light and motion, producing subtle reflections that shift like liquid metal. These panels not only serve aerodynamic purposes but also communicate the vehicle's state, glowing softly when in regenerative mode and pulsating gently as it harvests ambient energy. The Aura Prime transforms environmental interaction into a dynamic dance between machine and nature, making every journey feel alive and responsive. Inside, the Aura Prime continues this philosophy of harmony and emotional intelligence. The cabin functions as a sanctuary, designed to reconcile high-performance driving with supreme comfort. Kinetic seats mold dynamically to body contours, supporting correct posture while minimizing fatigue. The ambient lighting system, informed by circadian rhythm analysis and real-time biometric monitoring, subtly shifts from warm sunrise tones in the morning to deep, soothing hues in the evening. Aroma diffusion systems complement this visual and tactile immersion, releasing calming fragrances or invigorating scents depending on the passenger's state. The cabin is a space where travel becomes meditation, where movement and environment fuse seamlessly to support well-being, focus, and emotional clarity. The quantum energy core of the Aura Prime is a marvel of futuristic engineering. Wind harvesting wings integrated along the vehicle's body capture kinetic energy, storing it in advanced quantum energy cells that supplement the main propulsion system. In parallel, solar arrays embedded into the roof and hood convert sunlight into electrical energy, while energy harvested from friction and aerodynamic flow is recycled to power auxiliary systems. The result is a cruiser capable of sustained travel with zero emissions, operating almost entirely independent of traditional energy infrastructure. Quantum computing units within the propulsion system continuously analyze efficiency, performance, and environmental conditions, adjusting energy distribution in real time to maximize both acceleration and conservation. This allows the Aura Prime to offer not only remarkable speed and responsiveness, but also an unparalleled level of energy autonomy, ensuring that each journey is sustainable without compromising performance. Driving the Aura Prime is an experience of near-zero sensory friction, facilitated by advanced suspension and magnetic levitation-inspired systems. The vehicle appears to float above the road, with adaptive dampers neutralizing bumps and imperfections, creating a weightless sensation that feels akin to gliding through air. Steering is precise yet effortless, aided by quantum terrain scanning that reads surface conditions hundreds of meters ahead. This predictive system allows the car to pre-adjust wheel angles, torque distribution, and suspension stiffness to adapt to curves, inclines, or surface irregularities, making the vehicle instinctively responsive. Acceleration is smooth and immediate, a result of synchronous power distribution and regenerative torque modulation, giving the driver a sense of controlled yet exhilarating propulsion. Each motion feels choreographed, as though the Aura Prime anticipates intent before the driver even acts. The AI intelligence, known as the Aura Neural Interface, transforms the vehicle from a machine into an intelligent companion. It continuously monitors physiological signals, heart rate, respiration, and micro-expressions, adjusting cabin dynamics to maintain emotional balance and enhance driving performance. When passengers are relaxed, it encourages a meditative state, subtly reducing speed, sensitivity, and fine-tuning suspension for maximum comfort. During spirited driving, the AI increases responsiveness, enhances steering feedback, and subtly adjusts aerodynamic fins for optimal performance. Safety is deeply integrated into this system. Predictive algorithms anticipate potential hazards, while real-time monitoring of vehicle integrity, road conditions, and environmental variables ensures proactive risk mitigation. Beyond technical safety, the AI considers human emotion, calming drivers in stressful conditions and supporting situational awareness to reduce cognitive load. Sustainability and regenerative technology are fundamental to the Aura Prime's identity. The self-healing composite body repairs scratches and microfractures autonomously, while embedded energy harvesting systems convert wind, solar, and motion into usable power. Interior components employ biodegradable and recyclable materials, while climate, water, and energy systems operate in closed loops, minimizing waste and environmental impact. Even routine maintenance is reduced, as nanobots within key systems perform continuous inspection, lubrication, and minor repairs. This creates a vehicle that is not only luxurious and high-performing, but also environmentally responsible, capable of enduring decades of use while maintaining its aesthetic and functional integrity. The Aura Prime's interior experience is equally remarkable in its sophistication. Augmented reality overlays, projected onto a panoramic canopy, provide navigation, environmental data, and scenic information without distracting from the view. Sensitive surfaces respond to gestures and pressure, adjusting temperature, texture, or ambient illumination in real time. Audio systems generate a three-dimensional sound field using crystal resonance technology, immersing passengers in music, nature sounds, or curated audio designed for relaxation and focus. The cabin is designed as a personalized ecosystem, continuously adapting to both environmental conditions and occupant states, creating a holistic travel experience where every sensory input is tuned for maximum comfort and engagement. Legacy and experience converge in the Aura Prime as a representation of the future of grand touring. It is a vehicle that transcends utility, offering not just movement, but an emotionally immersive journey that connects driver, passengers, and the environment. Each journey leaves an imprint on the AI system, allowing the car to evolve alongside its owner, creating a personal archive of routes, preferences, and experiences. Over time, the Aura Prime becomes a living testament to sustainable innovation, emotional intelligence, and luxury design, establishing a new benchmark for future mobility. It embodies a vision where technology enhances human experience, where motion is poetry, and where environmental consciousness coexists with exquisite comfort. In every curve, every reflective surface, and every whisper of motion, the Lexus Aura Prime 2057 redefines the very notion of luxury travel. It fuses silent, wind-driven propulsion, regenerative intelligence, and emotionally adaptive systems into a singular, holistic vehicle, capable of transporting both body and mind with unprecedented elegance. This is not merely a car. It is an immersive experience, a guardian of the environment, and a companion in the truest sense, creating a harmonious bridge between technology, nature, and human aspiration.